Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, thank you so much for coming back. This is a spend a day with me. So this was me at work looking all ugly and stuff. So this was my breakfast. I don't always buy food. I just buy sometimes. I was scared to vlog, guys. I was scared to vlog, because we are not even allowed to use our cell phones, but during working hours. So if it's not a working hour, like Lana, it was my tea time, so I was just using it. So then Lana, it was my lunch time. I went to the shops to go get myself some energy because I needed it. Sure, this was my lunch. The meat was so burnt, and I had no choice because I only realized in the morning, no man, so I had to take it to work but the taste was not that bad because I couldn't cook another meat, it was so late, so I just had to settle with that. So now it was the end of my day. Pasana, going back home is one of my favorite things. Hi guys, this is the following day. Good morning. It's a Saturday. I am so exhausted. I'm so exhausted, guys. I don't wanna lie, but life goes on, and I have mgonya now, that's making me this exhausted. Yeah, but what's life without umgobo, guys? What's life without umgobo? We soldier on, we move on. My son is still taking a nap, so I just want to have some breakfast quick breakfast before he wakes up, so that when he wakes up, I make some breakfast for him, then focus on him. But I just want to have this me time, 30 minutes to have breakfast, and then we carry on with our day. It's a little bit, I don't know, cloudy or what, but the weather is just off today. At least it's a Saturday. I can just stay indoors and But yes, guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Please subscribe, please like this video. I would really appreciate that. I will see you around. So guys, this is my grocery. Hey guys, things are expensive. This one, things are so expensive, and it's chai when your groceries include pampas. You just know good our it's chai. Like guys, things are so expensive. Yo, icon. The economy is so bad, guys. Let me do a proper haul and show you guys what I got. So guys, so I was at Pick n Pay, not today guys, because I know you guys are going to come for me like, we have Pick n Pay. This was yesterday, it's not today. I got this fatties and mornings, mixed herbs, barbecue spice, meat tenderizer, my favorites. And this, like, how can you just go and not buy this? It's our all-time favorites, guys. Couldn't answer the spice. Then get a weekends for my son. This for me. And then it's the Super Head Sunlight Matic Bags, 5 roses, my favorite. But yes, guys, I'm really exhausted. Today it's a Saturday, I'm supposed to be resting, but no. Guess I chose to be a content trying to be a content creator. This is fatties and mornings. And then this also for my son. Hey guys, chutney, favorite, especially with beetroot like this, my all-time favorite. And then kesana, this also for my son. Then I got this, my favorite. Love it, love it, love it, guys. Stock cubes. You are not a South African if you don't buy this. Like, we are shorter. Then this, that's why most of you guys are suffering from this. Baked beans. And then for my son, obviously, guys. Not that I'm complaining, Sham, because I get to touch for serious. Another so let's Zamba Sonia's, you know the story, you know the drill. And then I got EXL Alena. Hey Nina, things are expensive, yes. You'd think it's month and people have money. We don't have money, guys. We are just waiting to buy food. That's all we do. All we do is buy food. I also got bleach. My all-time favorite Kesana Cross and Blackwell mayonnaise. That is stamp lace. It's a fake. I'm gonna get suit, guys. I like the stamp. I need chicken spice. Please. I don't want to get that upset. And then get the last 2 items, 5 kg fry pack, and this also for my son. That's the grocery haul. It's cheap. I only bought 5 kg for meat because I still have a few things in the fridge. I still have beef, I still have beans, I still have Ivors, so I still do have, you know, some things. But yeah, guys, groceries very expensive. Yes, very. But for some people, kesana, it's not. But for us guys, the economy is not in favor for us. I'm telling you. So let me pack these, and then I want to wash some dishes, do some laundry, and then yeah, guys, we'll see where the day takes us. We'll see. So yes, guys, this is the end of the vlog. This was my lunch, kesana. This was my lunch. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe and also like.